Mr. Zeal! Hello, friends, it's time to play with sounds and words.
Hip, hip, hooray!
Clap your hands and tap your feet. Mr. Zeal makes reading sweet. Zigzag Zeal, let's spin the wheel. Bounce with B and sing with S. From A to Z, we'll laugh and learn. With every sound, the letters turn.
Madam English Mr. Zeal.
Beep, 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 boo, boo, boo.
Nice to meet you. What is your name? My name is Mr. Zeal. Okay. So, words ending with what? A, D. So, what this one? زمن يا نبرت. تخوينا تادي تخوم زيا. تخوينا long vowel يا ورا. دحر كينا تادي تبال. Short vowel. So we are looking what? Rhyming words with short vowel A. Rhyming words with short vowel A. Rhyming words with short vowel A. So D. Words having D. Words having what? D. Okay, let's see them. D. Sad. D. Sad. D. Bad. D. Bad. D. Bad. D. Lad. D. Lad. D. Lad. Okay. D. Faris. D. Dad. D. Dad. D. Dad. K. Clad. K. Clad. K. Clad. So what the sound? The final sound, the ending sound. Ad. So they all are what? Rhyming words. So rhyming words means what? Words having same sound at the end. Rhyming words are words having same sound at the end. So let's go. What about this one? Mad. 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 Hard. 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 Pad. Pad. Glad. 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 grad. 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 So, rhyming words are what? Words having the same sound at the end. Hello, friends. It's time to play with sounds and words. Clap your hands, stamp your feet. Mr. Zil makes reading sweet. Okay, let's see this one. Does this have same sound with the rest? Is it rhyming with this? Rhyming do you? He, as, never. He, as, has. Museum rhyming do I connect? Raise your hand. Is he asi? Museum rhyming do yes? No. Same final sound allowado? No. End sound asi? Museum aradius? No. Sami? No. Go guys. Give me man. No connecting. Go guys, Sami. He, as. The same sound የብላል እዚህም እኮ ሳውንዶም ናይ መወዳታ ታይዲዩ አድ ወዶ ሰው ስ አድ ሳድ ብ አድ ባድ ል አድ ድ አድ ዳድ ክል አድ ክላድ ም አድ ማድ ህ አድ had, 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 glad, glad, grad. Okay, what about this one? Is this rhyming with the rest?
ዜል ቦክስ ንተምሃሮ ንወለዲ ንመምህራን ንኣብያተ ትምህርቲ ጠቐምቲ ዝኾና መጽሓፍቲ ግዚኡ ብዝጠልቦ ሜላ ኣማሃራ ዝተዳለዋ ህፃናት ብጣዕሚ ዝጥቀሙለን ሓገዝቲ ዝኾና መጽሓፍቲ ብንጽል ኮነ ብበዝሒ ኣባናት ረኽቡ። ስለዚ ሚስተር ዚል ጽሕፍዎ መጽሓፍቲ ብምዕዳግ ዩቲዩብ ቻነልና ሚስተር ዚል ኤዱክ ሰብስክራይብ ላይክ ሼር ብምግባር ናብ ኩሉ ክባጻሕ እጃምኩም ኣበርክቱ። ንዝበለጸ ትምህርቲ ኣብ ዩቲዩብ ቲክቶክ ፌስቡክ ሚስተር ዚል ኤዱክ ፈሎው ብምግባር ሼር ብምግባር ናብ ወለደ ክባጻሕ እጃምኩም ኣበርክቱ።
Rhyming do you? No, it's not rhyming because ናዚኦም ድምጾም ምአድ መወዳታ ድምጹ አድ ሄ አድ ስቲል ናይ መወዳታ ድምጹ ታዩ አድ ፕ አድ ፓድ ሰው ናይ መወዳታ ድምጹ ታዩ አድ ገለ አድ ግላድ ግር አድ ግራድ ሰው ናይ መወዳታ ድምጾም አድ ወዶ ኣብዚ ግን ታ ኮይኑ ግር ኤድ ሰው ናይ መወዳታ ድምጹ ካብዚኦም ይፍለ እዩ። So this is not rhyming. What about this one? Bed. Is it rhyming with us? ምዚኦም ሲ rhyming ድዩ ናይ መወዳታ ድምጾም ማዕረ ድዩ ሂባ ምአድ ህአድ ፕአድ ነያ ወዶ ብኤድ ነያ ምዚያ ድምጻሲ ማዕረ ድዩ ነኖ ናይ መወዳታ ድምጾም ማዕረ ድዩ ነኖ ማዕረ ኾነን ወዶ ንምንታይ እዚኣ ብኤድ ኤድ እዩ ናይ መወዳታ ድምጾ ወዶ ሶ ቤድ ምዚኦም ራይሚንግ ይኾነን ማለት እዩ ወዶ ሶ ራይሚንግ ወርድስ ታይ ማለት እዩ words having same sound at the end. Words what? Having same sound at the end. So rhyming words are words having same sound at the end. So rhyming words ታይ ማለት እዩ ናይ መወዳእታ ድምጾም ማዕረ ዝኾኑ ቃላት ማለት እዩ። Okay. So let's come here. Words ending with what? Ag. 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 B. Ag. B. Ag. Bag. T. Ag. Tag. T. Ag. Tag. T. Ag. Tag. T. Ag. Tag. N. Ag. Nag. N. Ag. Nag. D. Ag. D. Ag. Drag. B. Ag. Brag. B. Ag. Brag. So the final sound is what? Ag. 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 Hello, friends. It's time to play with sounds and words. Clap your hands, stamp your feet. Mr. Zeal makes reading sweet. So let's come. Ag. Ag. B-ag. Bag. B-ag. Bag. T-ag. Tag. T-ag. Tag. N-ag. Nag. N-ag. Nag. Dr-ag. Drag. Dr-ag. Drag. Br-ag. Brag. Br-ag. Brag. R-ag. Rag. R-ag. Rag. R-ag. Rag. Faris, what is one? W-a-g. Wag. W-ag. Wag. F-l-ag. Flag. F-l-ag. Flag. F-l-ag. Flag. St-ag. Tag. St-ag. Stag. Sn-ag. Snag. So ታይና ንርኢ ዘለና words having the same sound at the end.
Which is rhyming words.
We call them rhyming words. So rhyming words are words having same sound at the end. Having same sound at the end. Rhyming words are words having same sound at the end. Hello, friends. It's time to play with sounds and words. Clap your hands, stamp your feet. Mr. Zeal makes reading sweet. Then who is going to read this one? Who is going to read? Esh Beit. Harap. Okay. Then read this one. Yes. Yes, all.
B-ag. Bag.
B-ag. Bag.
T-ag. Tag.
T-ag. Tag.
N-ag. Nag.
N-ag. Nag.
Dr-ag. Drag.
Dr-ag. Drag.
Br-ag. Brag.
I don't have question. What the sound? What their sound? The final sound.
The final sound. Ag.
Ag. Ag. Ag. So they have the same sound on the end. Yes. So what's their name? Rhyming words. Bravo. Give a hand. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Stag.
Stag.
If we write it S-T-A-G-E, it's not the same
With this one. Yes.
like this.
Okay. So this one is what? Stage. Does this have the same sound with this?
No.
The same sound loaded? No, because stage. Long vowel A ስለዝኸውን stay ስለዝብል. Nice.
When they end with E, the short sound will turn 1,
2. Long vowel. Take 5. Bravo. Give her a hand.
K.
Yes. Bravo. Give her a hand. Wow. So, what do we see?
Right.
Rhyming words with short vowel A. Rhyming words with short vowel A. S ad, P ad, D ad. So they have the same sound at the end. So they are called what? Rhyming words. Rhyming words. We see this is grade. So it has different sound from grad. Because this is long vowel A. This is not short. Grade has what? Long vowel A. Grad is short vowel A. Grad, grad. So here, the sound of this A is short vowel. The sound of this A is A. The sound of this A is A. Abzi A, ድምፅ አንታያ short vowel ሆነ A. ኣብዚኣ ግን ግርኤድ እንታይ ኮይና long vowel A ኮይና long vowel A ኮይና ንምንታይ long vowel A ኮይና ኣብዚኣ ማጂክ E ስለ ዘላ
Is the last.
last ማጂክ E ትበሃል ኣብ መወዳእታ A ኮንሶናንት E እንተመፅዩ A ኮንሶናንት E እንተመፅዩ እዚኣ ማጂክ E ትበሃል ዛ A ድምፃ እንታይ ትገብራ A long A ትገብራ A ዘይኮነት እንታይ ትገብራ long A ማጂክ E ድሕር ሃልያስ ኣብ መንጎ A ኣብ መንጎ E ኮንሶናንት ድሕር ሃልዩሲ እዛ E ሲ ማጂክ E ትበሃል ነዛ A ሲ ድምፃ ዳይዳ ትገብራ ሾርት A ዘይኮነት A ዘይኮነት A ክትኮን ትገብራ ናብነት ግር ኣድን ያደዚያ A ዶ ኮይና ኣብዚያ ኣብዚያ ግን ግር ኤድ ግሬድ long vowel A ኮይና A ኮይና ድምፃ okay ኣብዚ ታይሬና words having ag so stage this is what st a g stag ኣብዚኣ ግን st a g a ዶ ኮይና st a g a ዶ ኮይና so እዚኣ እንታይ ጌራታ ማለት እዩ ናብ long vowel ትኸውን እዛ E ስለ ዘላ long vowel ጌራታ ብ ag t ag n ag dr ag they have the same sound at the end. They have the same sound at the end. So they are what? Rhyming words. So they are what? Rhyming words. Hello, friends. It's time to play with sounds and words. Clap your hands, stamp your feet. Mr. Zil makes reading sweet.